3.
Oh man! First they throw me in Kingsmill jail, and now they got me digging holes. Just ridiculous. This place. Oh! Hey! Kingsmill! Welcome back. This is our second episode of us putting the sports club back together. Excited to show you what's been going on in the last 2 weeks. As you can see, we're here in the men's locker room. These are where the showers were located in the old building. And we are digging up the plumbing, moving the plumbing, and it's going to be relocated just a little bit further down the locker room. So getting this space back where the showers were. So digging up the plumbing, moving it through, and then started the very basic framework here in the men's locker room for the hot tub, sauna, and steam room. We'll get going, and you'll see the full renders next time. And then the men's bathrooms, sinks, stalls started moving in here as well. So some pretty cool progress past couple weeks. Let's go show you around the rest of the building. What else we've been moving and shaking and got ourselves up to. So we're coming out from the men's locker room to the cardio floor. The fire suppression has all been moved up to the ceiling. There's now one big open space that is ready to go. Next will be the HVAC work that comes on through when that system arrives. And then as we walk back towards the weight section or the front of the building, the concrete curb that was about 8-10 inches high that separated the two areas has been removed. And these cross braces are scheduled to come out next. So it is really going to truthfully be one open big space, one big room. Fire suppression in that room has been raised up. And then next the plumbing goes up, and that room will be 100% ready to go. The framing was built for the wall that separates the sports club and the indoor pool. In the previous edition, this wall was over here, and the stairs were outside the hallway. So now the stairs that lead to the workout rooms in the basement are part of the area, and the wall is on the outside of the stairs. Started and framed the family restrooms for the indoor pool, which are in this area. Goes from 1 to 2 in the new addition, so some more family bathroom space. And then is a jungle of framework here in the ladies' locker room. Everything is basically up and ready to go. Showers, restrooms, locker room space, sauna, steam room, hot tub. Everything is framed and up and ready to go. So certainly excited about the progress we've made the past couple weeks. One of our biggest conversations is equipment timelines. Everything seems to be going well. We're right on time, right on schedule. And looking forward to next update 2 weeks from now, showing you everything else that's coming in. See you next time.